Right way to use Chef-Mate KS63 kitchen scale. Simply flip the scale and remove the plastic strip from the battery compartment so you can start using it right away. Keep the scale on a flat, stable surface. Avoid placing it on cloth or mats. And keep it away from fans. Airflow will fluctuate the accurate reading. Lightly tap the power button to switch it on. Ignore the first reading shown. Tap the unit button to choose your preferred measurement unit, grams, ml, etc. Place your food item on the scale to check its weight. How to use stir function? Place the bowl on the scale. Press stir to reset it to 0. Now add your ingredients for accurate measurement. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to switch it off. After use care tips. Do not clean with water. Wipe the scale with a dry or slightly damp cloth and store it in a dry place. For longer battery life, remove batteries if not in regular use. Thank you.